Hello everyone, welcome back to Honey's Galaxy. Today we are going to make crispy fried chicken, and that too without oil. And yes, you heard it right, without oil, because we are going to use air fryer for this recipe. The first and the foremost step would be the marination of chicken, and make sure you make deep cuts before marinating the chicken. And now is the time to add in all the necessary spices. This ginger and garlic powder are both optional, but I like adding in because I like the aroma of both ginger and garlic powder. And yes, don't forget to add in the lemon juice for some tangy flavor. And let's put the marinated chicken in the refrigerator for about 1 hour. Till then we prepare the other coatings. And now in a separate bowl, take 3 eggs, mix in 2 tablespoons of milk and 1 tablespoon of water. And lastly, we have to prepare the maida coating. For that we need 1 cup of maida and half cup of corn flour. Add in some salt, red chili and garam masala, some black pepper and other spices which you like. And now is the time to coat the chicken with both the prepared coatings. Firstly, we have to dip it into the egg mixture and then into the maida mixture. And after coating all the pieces, let's put the chicken into the refrigerator for about 15 minutes to absorb the corn flour into the chicken. And now after 15 minutes, repeat the same steps again for more crunchiness. Keep the chicken aside for about 15 minutes. Till then you preheat your air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. The air fryer is now preheated properly. Now let's add in the chicken pieces and do grease them properly with butter. Set the timer to 20 minutes and after 20 minutes flip the chicken pieces, and now you can see they are done from one side, and for next 10 minutes we have to cook the other side. And ta-da! Your crispy chicken pieces are ready. And if you liked it, do hit the like button. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.